Yeah, all the students listen carefully. In the last class, we already discussed about the concept of de Broglie uncertainty principle. Now we are continuing the same topic. That is only yes. Yeah, what is the de Broglie wave equation? Already we are discussing. That is only yes. The wave is associated with the matter. He said that whatever the particles are there in atom, they are moves with the association of the matter and as well as the wave. Got it or not? Yes, the matter contains the yes the properties like a particle nature and wave is a contain it's a nature like a wavelength. Okay, now they are associated with one another by using one formula. The wavelength of matter lambda is equal to taken as h by mv. Here it is indicates about the wavelength of any atomic particle is equal to directly proportional to its mass and it is inversely proportional to the mass and it is inversely proportional to the velocity and h is called the Planck constant. The value of the Planck constant is taken as 6.6 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joule second. We already discussed this all the concept. And here the mv is called what? Mv is called a momentum. It is also called as momentum. Got it or not? This is only we are already discussed. We completed some two problems also. Yes, once again we go with that problem again. Yeah. What is the problem? We are discussing that calculate the momentum of a particle has a wavelength of 200 nanometer. Page number 2 in chemistry. In that one, there is we have the problems of that particular de Broglie wavelength. What is that? There is a what we have taken calculate the momentum of a moving particle which has wavelength of 200 nanometer. The wavelength of the particle lambda is equal to taken as 200 nanometers here. Okay, got it or not? 200 nanometer. And now we have to go find out what is the yes momentum of this particle. What is the momentum of this particle? We have formula lambda is equal to what? H by mv. Okay, now you know very well mass and velocity. Product of mass and velocity is written as h by p. Here p is equal to taken as h by lambda. Yes, lambda is a given nanometer. Nanometer is a convert now into meters. That is a what? 10 to the power of minus 9 meters. Now you have to substitute the p value in the p base. Lambda is h is equal to I am already given. That is only called the Planck constant. The value of the Planck constant is a 6.62 into 10 to the power of minus 34 and it is lambda is a 200 nanometer, that is why it is written as 10 to the power of minus 9 meter. 2 into 10 to the power of minus 9 meters. Now it is also written as P is equal to taken as for easy mathematical calculation powers of 10 we are considering. Powers of 10 we are considering. Here it is also written as 6.62 by 2 into 10 to the power of minus 34 into 10 to the power of plus 9. Okay, clear or not also? Now it is written as P is equal to 3.31 into 10 to the power of minus 34 plus 9. Got it or not? Sorry? Yes, here we written it is as what? 3.3 into 10 to the power of minus 34 it is there, and as well as the plus 9. It is become what? Yes. Here actually we have 200, not 2. Okay, now into 10 to the power of 2 plus 2 it will be there here. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yes, it is plus 2, and now minus 34 plus 9 minus 2. We written it is. Okay, clear or not also? 200 it is 200 nanometer, and now it is also written as P is equal to 3.31 into 10 to the power of minus 34 minus 2 36 minus 9. It is become 27. Okay, now it is 27 kg meter per second. Okay, this is only the answer. In this way, we have to calculate the momentum of the particle. Okay, clear or not all the students? They given a mass, not directly, and they not given velocity. Okay, just they give so what a wavelength of a particle, and we know very well Planck constant. From that, when we'll get the yes, what is the momentum of the particle? Okay, now when the particle is moving with this much of momentum, at that time it is achieved the wavelength how much? 200 nanometer. Okay, this is only the information. If possible, note down or take a screenshot. Yeah. Next to the students, there is we have taken a next problem. They given what actually in the next problem, de Broglie wavelength of an electron 66 nanometers. They given what? 66 nanometer. The de Broglie wavelength is how much here? Yes. (66 nanometer they given). And the velocity of electron we have to find here now. Yes, what is the velocity of a electron we have to find? Okay, they given the information. The particle is what? Electron. We know very well what is the mass of electron. That is a 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kg. Yes, this value we have it here. And next one it is a what we have, you know. Then it is one more thing. That is H value we have here, that is a 6.62 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joule second. Okay, clear or not? Now the lambda is equal to taken as H by mv. Here lambda is a given and m is a given. We require V value. From this formula, what will we get? V is equal to become H by m into lambda. Okay, clear or not all the students? Now substitute m value. Okay, this and in the lambda 66 nanometer they given. You know very well already. So many times I am given this information for you. You have to convert every value into the same method only. You know very well, for 1 nanometer is equal to how many meter? Yes, 10 to the power of minus 9 meters. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power of minus 9 meter. Okay, these values you have to substitute here. V is equal to taken as what? V is equal to taken as H by H is equal to how much? 6.62 into 10 to the power of minus 34, and M is equal to how much they given? 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31. Yes, stages they given, and lambda is equal to 66 into 10 to the power of minus 9. These are the values you have to substitute here. Now the V is equal to, simply we are taken the 10 powers at a place. Okay, 9.1 it is, and into 66 it is, into what the 10 powers are there? 10 to the power of minus 34 by 10 to the power of minus 31 minus 9, that become 40. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Now the V is equal to become what? 6.62 by 9.1 into 6.66 into 10 to the power of minus 34 into 10 to the power of plus 40. Now it is in the order of 10 to the power of minus 6 will be get for us. The answer of the calculation of it, okay, approximately it is what actually 0.1. Okay, now V is equal to 0.1 by 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 6. It is also written as V is equal to 0.0109 into 10 to the power of minus 6 meters per second. Okay, now this is only become the velocity of our electron when it will be contain a wavelength of 66 nanometers. All the students, please keep in your mind the mass of electron 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kg. Mass of proton 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kg. Mass of electron 1.68 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kg. You have to please be keeping your mind these values you have to know should compulsory. Yes, I hope you got it. This is the part of our problems. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Yes, and don't think about this mathematical calculations. This is the not problem for us. Okay, you'll get it is this mathematical substitutions and simplification. You have to know this up to this. Okay, this hint is enough. The substitution, there is the 6th, 7th students are also made up. That is the maths actually. Okay, now, and whatever these calculations are there, you take it is into powers, it's become very easy. You convert all the things into powers, it's become very easy. Okay, yeah, now. Yes, please note down if possible, or take a screenshot of your teacher's mobile. You take a screenshot. The next concept is All the students, please be concentrate on our next topic. What is that? Next problem it is, what is the wavelength associated with a car of mass 1.3 into 10 to the power of 4 grams moving at a speed of 1.0 into 10 to the power of 3 centimeter per second? They given a car. What is the wavelength of that car according to the de Broglie? Yes, lambda is equal to h by mv, the fundamental formula for us. Third example it is, yes, 1 second. And here the given what mass of the car. What is the mass of the car? 1.3 into 10 to the power of 4 grams. Okay, and as well as what is the speed of the car? The v is equal to taken as 1 into 10 to the power of 3 meters per second. Okay, clear or not all this? This is only about what actually? This is only about our car mass and as well as its velocity. Now, there is a lambda is equal to taken as. What is the h here? H is the taken as 6.6 into 10 to the power of minus 34. Okay, now, yes, you know very well. 6.62. And now there it is a what? Mass given directly 1.3 into 10 to the power of 4. And here they given what actually centimeter per second they given. Okay, clear or not all the students? What they given? Centimeter per second. Now you convert it into meter per second. How much it is become then? It is become now 1 into 10 to the power of 5 meters per second. Why? Because tell me, 1 centimeter is equal to how many meters? Once again, okay, listen carefully. The given it is in a centimeter per second. Okay, now 1 centimeter is equal to how many meters? Yeah, I hope you got it. It is, you know very well this formula. From that one you will get it is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Now that it is become 1 by 100 meters. 1 centimeter is equal to taken as 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. Now you substitute the same thing it is here. Okay, V is equal to, yeah, everything it is given in a grams and as well as it is in a, actually it is given in a grams and as well as in a centimeters only. Actually no need to convert here. In case there is a given all it is in a case system, you have to convert. It is given in a grams only. Okay, now yes, no need actually conversion here, but we have to convert the H value. Okay, yes, joule per second 2, it will be converted into egg per second. Okay, that is somewhat difficult. So now I am going with the conversion here only. Now it is about 1.3 into 10 to the power of, okay, now 1 gram is equal to 10 to the power of minus 3 kgs. Okay, now automatically it is become 10 to the power of 1 kg. Okay, and here it is become what? B is equal to taken as 1 into 10 to the power of, okay, 3 minus 2 meter per second. It is become V is equal to, yes, 10 meter per second. It is. Okay, 1 into 10 to the power of 1, 10 meter per second. Now that it is totally all in same units only. Okay, all the students in our textbook cannot changes what it is into MKS system. Please be consider it is. I am converted it is totally into an MKS system. Okay, now check here. Lambda is equal to H is equal to 6.6 into 10 to the power of minus 34 by what? By it is become what? 1.3 into 10. It is become 13. Okay, clear or not all the students? It is become 13 here into 10 to the power of 1. It is a 10. That's it. Yes, now it become what? Lambda is equal to, yes, yeah, 6.6 by 30 into 10 to the power of minus 34. Yes, it will be goes up. It is a 10 to the power of 1, or otherwise you take it to 130 simply. Okay, now Yes, now lambda is equal to taken as, yes, 6.6 approximately. It will become what? Approximately 1.9. Okay, or a point. It is a, will get is what actually 1 by 2 in the format of 1 by 2 will be get. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Yes, 6.62. It is a 130. Okay, now approximation is nearby the 5.1 into 10 to the power of, yes, minus 33 you get first. Okay, clear or not, all the students? (32 centimeters meters get. Okay, clear. It's now convert into centimeters. Okay, automatically it will get for a piece of what? Minus 30. Sorry, minus 36 meters you get first. Okay, clear or not all? Minus 36 meters you get first. Okay, clear or not all? 6.62 by 130, 0.05 will be get. Okay, now yes, it is equal to approximately 0.051 into 10 to the power of minus 34 will get for us. Okay, now when you do it, it is okay now, and automatically it will become minus 36 meters in it. Or otherwise, it is in a centimeters, minus 34 centimeters will get. Okay, if you are not changes, it is into the MKS system. Directly you have to substitute the values. Okay, now it's same as our text. Okay, why? Because you don't know the what is the value of our, why they written in it is in a 6.6 into 10 to the power of 27 minus 27. Actually, the H value in the MKS system is how much? 6.6 into 10 to the power of minus 34. The same value it is in CBS now. Yes, how much it is? 6.6 into 10 to the power of minus 27. 84 second it is. 8 second it is. It is actually joule second. Okay, now somewhat changes are there. Please be considered. Understood or not, all the students? There is given 27. They substituted 27 in our textbook. In which manner? CBS system. I am going with the MKS system. Okay, now don't confuse it. Got it? Just simply how to know how to substitute the given mass and as well as the velocity. Yes, for a lambda. Okay, when we given directly mass and as well as velocity, you get the lambda directly. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Yes, what you understood from this? Based on this formula, number of questions are made framed. Okay, they may ask the question on velocity, they may ask the question on mass, they may ask the question on lambda. Okay, the 3 questions are there. Okay, or otherwise the momentum as our first question. Okay, now like that 4 questions may ask from this one. Okay, one more, the theoretical based questions. Yes, one check it in our exercise, whatever they given. Yes, there is a page number 4. Once go through the page number 4. The wave particle duality of light described light as the wave only, the particle only, the both wave and particle, neither a wave or nor a particle. Yeah, dualism is nothing but the both wave and as well as the particle. Sometimes it looks like a wave, sometimes it looks like a particle. When we adopt the wavelength, okay, like this properties, okay, now wavelength or energy density, like this properties, it's called a wave. Or you take a mass, velocity, position. This is indicates of what? These all are indicates of particle nature. Got it or not? This is indicate the what? Wave nature. Okay, what our de Broglie says, our electrons are sometimes or works as a particle, or sometimes they looks like a wave, or protons or looks like a wave or a particle. Whatever atomic particle you have to take, they are sometimes are exhibit the properties of wave, or they sometimes the properties exhibit as a particle. Okay, clear or not also? They contain a both nature. Dualism. It is only called what? Dualism. That type of the waves are called as matter waves. What the name of that waves? Matter waves. When one particle is exhibit the two types of properties, either a particle or a wave. That type of particles are called matter waves. What you understood? According to the de Broglie, all the atomic particles are moving with the both the nature, particle nature and as well as the wave nature also. Okay, they contain the properties of dualism. Okay, got it? And next, the energy of electromagnetic waves comes in the pulses called as. Okay, clear or not, all the students? The energy of electromagnetic waves comes in the pulses are called as photons. They called as what? Photons. According to the Planck's it is. Okay. Yes, it will become later for us. Okay, now. Yes. That is only what? E equal to h nu. Every particle which has emitted in the form of a light, it will be contain somewhat energy. They're moving in the form of energy packets. They call the what actually photon. Every photon contain how much energy? H nu energy. How much energy they contain? H into nu. Here H is the Planck's constant. Nu is the frequency of that particular particle. Okay, clear or not? And whatever the colors are appear for us, everything is depending on this formula only. This board is a green color. My shade is looking like somewhat blue color. Okay, this chalk piece is in white color. Why this thing are occurs? Yes, because of this formula only. Yes, simply as when we are taking an atom, the atom is exposed by the light. Okay, the light is given the what? Light is given H energy. It will be reaches to the atom. It is absorbed by it, and again it will be moves to the higher energy level. Okay, clear or not, all of you? It will be come from ground to the higher energy level, and it will not stay that much of time. Again, it will be emitted in the form of one more photon. This is only cast for colors. Okay, at the time of Holi, your faces are not look like in this color. Why? At that day, there is somewhat deposited on your face. Okay, that is only exhibit for the light. Because of that, that color is only appear. Understood, all of you? Every substance is contain atoms. That atoms is only cast for the light, and as well as that atoms are only cast for the color whatever they exhibit. Okay, now the color is comes when there is a light is coming from the particular source and it is a fallen atom, it exhibit again in the form of photon. This photon is only cast for the whatever color is appear by the substances. Got it or not? This is only about our concept of photon, and it will be get in a latter, okay, clear in form. Okay, now already you not have it. Okay, na? In your 10th class level, you have it, this total lesson, scattering phenomena of light. Okay, na? Yes. Now, the third question is important for you. De Broglie equation. Yes, the third question in a fourth bit. All the students today you have examination on this particular topic only. Okay, please listen carefully. De Broglie equation relates the momentum of mass to its wavelength. Relate the energy of a mass, its wavelength. Relate the frequency of a mass, its wavelength. Relates the work function of the mass, its wavelength. Okay, clear or not, all the students? De Broglie wave equation. It is a contain what actually? Lambda is equal to h by mv. This is only our de Broglie wave equation. Yes, relates the momentum of the mass and its wavelength. Relate the energy of the mass, it's a wavelength. Relate the frequency of the mass, it's a wavelength. Yeah, the first one is only answer. Why? Because lambda is equal to h by mv. What is mv represents? Momentum of the particle. Okay, it is related with the momentum. Got it or not? This is only the thing. And the next one, the de Broglie wave equation showed that the wavelength of any moving object is equal to. The answer is B here. H by mv. Okay, now yes, the answer is directly question. It is h by mv. Okay, in this way there is the 4 questions are important for us. And next one is somewhat a calculation of the de Broglie wavelengths is given. Structure based type questions are given. Once check it. What is the answers of it? Yes. All the students listen carefully. Fifth question. Answer is very important question. It is calculated the de Broglie wavelength of an electron traveling at 1% of the speed of a light. The mass of an electron is 9.11 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kgs. Okay, indirectly the question is given. Okay, now yes, you have to find out. Lambda is equal to h by mv. That is the formula. No doubt at all. The formula is only one. Here the mass is the given. Mass is equal to how much? The given 9.11 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kgs. Okay, this is the mass of electron. It is, and h value you know very well. That is, we have taken it is the kgs. That's why it is the taken 6.63 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joule second. Okay, clear or not? And next one, the given velocity in indirect form. What the given velocity is equal to 1% of light velocity. 1% of light velocity. What is the velocity of light? Velocity of light is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. It is 100%. Na? We required 1%. Then what we have to do? By 100 when we make it is, you'll get the 1%. Okay, clear or not? Yes, we required a 1%. Na? Then what we have to here make it is by 100. It will be gives the what? 1%. Then the velocity is become what? 3 into 10 to the power of 8 by 100 means 10 to the power of 2. It is become 3 into 10 to the power of 6 meters per second. That's it. The remaining are very well known. Lambda, purpose, h is there here, m is there here, v is there here. You have to substitute this all. You'll get the answer. What is that? Lambda is equal to taken as 6.6 into 10 to the power of minus 34 by s 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 into, it is equal to what? 3 into 10 to the power of 6 meter per second. Yes, it is a plus 6. Now substitute that all the values. Lambda is equal to taken as 6.6 by 9.1 into 10 to the power 3 into, yes, what the powers are there? 34 minus 31 and another are the plus 6. Okay, clear or not? You come first to ensure about that. Lambda is equal to 6.6 by 9.1 yes by 3. Okay, into it is about 10 to the power of minus 34. Okay, now it will become what? 10 to the power of plus 31 when it is moves up. Yes, it is become 10 to the power of 6. Okay, now it is become minus 6. Yes, now totally it is what? It is 2.2. Returnable or not? It is 3. Okay, now yes, 2.2 by 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 40 plus 10 to the power of plus 31. It is become 10 to the power of 9 somewhat. Lambda is equal to taken as yes 2.2 by 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 9 meters. Okay, now you do it 2.2 by 9.1 approximately. It will be more than 2. It is approximately. Yes, why? Because lambda is equal to 0.2 into 10 to the power of yes minus 9. Why? Because 2.2 it is approximately 1.8. 9 into 2 is equal to how much? 1.8. Okay, now 2.4 somewhat 0.24 into 10 to the power of minus 9 meters. The answer may in that order only. Okay, do it once. Yeah, it is given already. Yes, what is that? 2.4 yes into 10 to the power of minus 10 they given. Okay, now otherwise you written as 0.24 into 10 to the power of minus 9 meters. Okay, now yes, they convert it into 10 to the power of minus 10. Okay, now yes, they taken one more 2 front. Okay, that is not a problem. Okay, they given answer here. Okay, and IIT practice sheet is also there. Once do it, tomorrow we'll go with the one more important concept, that is Heisenberg versatility principle. All the students, these all things are new for you. Don't confuse and don't think about what is my base. Now the base is not possible to get. There is no time for us. Okay, you have to put extra effort. You have to take a 6th and 7th IIT foundation books. Once you read that books also, you get the base. If we have any time, we are going to the base of that particulars. Okay, but you start from here, de Broglie waves only. You go through this de Broglie waves only fundamental topic for you. Yes, simple thing this one. Our atom contain number of particles already I have discussed with you. There is a what in that one, there is a fundamental particles are 3. One is electron, one is the another one is the proton, another one is the neutron. How they arranged these particles inside of our atom? That is only our atomic structure. How these things are arranged in atom? This is the positive particle proton, the electron is a negative particle, neutron is a non-charged particle. How these things are arranged? Our hydrogen contain only 1 electron, 1 proton, 1 neutron. But when go for a 20th element, that is a called what? Calcium. It is a contain 20 electron, 20 protons, 20 neutrons. How these things are arranged? Where they are located? That is only atomic structure. For the finding of that atomic structure, we have to require some laws. That is our law, de Broglie law. Okay, clear? And what is the first? What is its nature? It's a matter or a particle or a wave. Okay, we want to give a structure for atom, na? As for this purpose, whatever constraints of atom, suppose we want to construct one wall. In that one wall, we are used bricks or otherwise any other sand or a cement. You have to know it is or not. Yeah, like that only. We want to go construct our atom. We want to give a structure for atom. In atom, what we have? In atom, there is electron we have. In atom, we have proton. In atom, we have neutron. And we have to know what is its nature. Without the knowing of nature, how can you give a structure? Okay, clear or not? That property, okay, na? Or otherwise the nature of our particles of electron and proton and neutron, it given by which one? It given by these all the laws, de Broglie law, yes, and as well as the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. These all are given these laws. Got it or not? I hope you got it. It is. Yeah, all the best, all the students for your today's first examination of IIT Foundation. These all are basic things only. Okay, clear? Yes, these all are basic things only. Okay, and that's why please go through the basic concepts, whatever they are. Understood or not all this? Yes, and once you write this examination, you'll get somewhat. Okay, don't bother about the whatever the result are there. You already contain one tough topics are in the IIT class. That is a vector analysis. Okay, so many are not listen the classes maybe, but try your level best what you are listened or what you are collect from your textbook, that knowledge. Okay, clear? Yes. Thank you one and all. And tomorrow don't miss the classes and listen the class and raise your hands and ask your doubts. Okay. Thank you. Sorry, Mahesh Shari, somewhat raised your hand. What's your doubt? Sorry, sound or not get for me.
Sir, telling.
What happened? Yeah, I'm given a choice for you. Please unmute and say what is your doubt. Mahesh Chari, don't waste the time. May I teacher name it is? If you have no doubt, please lower your hand. What is your doubt? Sorry, there is not responding. Yes, tomorrow we are going to discuss that.